Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can switch from T-Mobile to Spectrum Mobile. And it's really easy and simple actually. So first things first, of course, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and back up your device. So make sure you have a backup of your device to avoid losing data during the transfer. And then what you need to do is you need to have your phone unlocked. Okay? So make sure your device is unlocked from your current carrier. And then you need to gather your account information, right? You need your account number, okay? And also what you need is a number of the transfer pin, the number transfer pin from your previous carrier. And you can actually find this information on a past billing statement or by, of course, signing into your account online. So what you want to do next is you want to select to keep your phone number, and during the checkout process, what you want to do is choose to keep your phone number and you want to provide your account information. So you'll be prompted to provide your account holder name, your address, your number, and PIN. Then you just want to sign up for Spectrum Mobile. And you can sign up for Spectrum Mobile service online from your account, or you can also do this in store through the My Spectrum app. And please note, guys, you should not disconnect your service with your previous carrier before requesting to transfer your number to Spectrum Mobile. So doing so may basically prevent you from keeping your phone number. So I hope this guide provided value to you. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.